Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Ave in Lloydminster, Border City. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2022 Ram 1500 Rebel GT. The exterior color is white, and under the hood we have a 5.7 liter HEMI V8 engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have auto headlamps, fog lamps, and tow hooks, and over at the side we have 18-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Wrangler tires. At the rear we have privacy tinted glass, a backup camera, power tailgate, and a soft top tonneau cover. At the interior we have power locks, mirrors, and windows. As you move closer to the cabin you will see our black leather seating with adjustments at the side. Over at the steering column are auto headlamp settings. We have a tilt steering wheel with our cruise control to the right, and to the left are media and hands-free options. As we look ahead you will see we have many options available, such as Sirius XM, Bluetooth connection, we have navigation, we have our dual climate control area, which includes heating and air conditioning for the entire cabin. This also comes with heated and cooled seats for both passenger and driver to enjoy. We also have a heated wheel. Below we have dual cup holders, gear shift, and tons of storage. At the rear we have door storage, cup holders, and power windows. Our heated bench seating provides a ton of legroom and headspace. If there are any more questions about this beautiful 2022 Ram 1500 Rebel GT, please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. We would like to thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.